The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is now in force. Also, the red rainstorm warning signal and landslip warning have been issued. Let's take a look at the latest about Typhoon Koinu. At 2 a.m., Typhoon Koinu was centered about 80 kilometers southwest of the Hong Kong Observatory. Koinu is forecast to move west at about 10 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the western part of the Pearl River estuary. Intense rain bands associated with Koinu are affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. In the past 2 hours, more than 50 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over Lantau Island, the western parts of Hong Kong Island, and Kowloon East. From the radar imagery, we can see that rain bands of Koinu extend 200 kilometers to the east of its center. These rain bands will persistently affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary this morning and bring squalls to the region. Winds may be occasionally up to gale force. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force at least until 11 a.m. today. Locally today, there will be squally showers and thunderstorms. Showers will be heavy at times. Please continue to take precautions against high winds and flooding. As seas are still very rough and there are swells, please stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas. Don't engage in water sport activities.